If your double click isn't working on your Mac, the most common cause is the double click speed is set too fast. So when this happens, macOS doesn't register your clicks as a double click at all. So for example, I'm gonna open this folder, so I'm gonna double click on it. And as you can see, nothing happens because the speed is set too fast and my click speed wasn't fast enough. So now how to change this speed? You want to go to System Settings on your Mac, and then we want to find accessibility. It's under General. Now we want to go to Motor, then Pointer Control. So choose Pointer Control, and from here you can see your settings for your mouse or trackpad. So you need to reduce this speed from this rabbit to this turtle. So you can reduce it like to maybe about 60% or 70. And after that, if I double click on my folder, you can see it's opened immediately, even if my double click was slower. All right, so you can change it from here. And this was a quick video how to fix it. You have also some spring loading speed setting over here, but this is different. This basically controls how fast a folder opens when you drag a file over it. If the speed is like set somewhere around here or almost maximum, the folder should open almost immediately. If the speed is slower, it can take some time to open, or maybe it's even not going to open. So let's say I'm gonna create a new folder. I'm gonna drag it to, I'm gonna set it to like this. I'm gonna drag it to my new folder, and you can see the speed when the folder opens. But this is different option, but I wanted to mention it also because it's under click speed, so you can know something more. And this was a quick video how to fix double click not working on macOS. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.